Hi everyone. Today I am excited to share a quick demo of my house price prediction model built in Python. So what the program does? In just a few lines of code, I load a public housing dataset, pre-process numeric and categorical features and train a Ridge Regression model that explains over 80% of price variance. So the key libraries used in this program and why. I use Pandas for data wrangling, NumPy for fast array operation, scikit-learn for modeling and Matplotlib to visualize results. This stack is the backbone of most real-world ML pipelines. So we will give the input and the model will predict. So after training, the script accepts 5 core inputs: overall quality, living area, garage capacity, basement area and number of bathrooms, and predicts a sale price. For example, overall quality is equal to 7, living area 1500 square feet, garage capacity is 2, basement area is 1200 square feet and number of bathrooms is 2. So my house price prediction model spit out $173,000 and that's right in line with real sales. So now graph 1 depicts actual versus predicted. Here is a scatter plot of actual versus predicted prices. The red dashed line shows perfect prediction. Most blue dots lie close to that line and R-square of 0.84 confirms strong fit. Now graph 2 depicts feature importance. Next is the top 10 feature importance from Ridge coefficients. You can see which attributes like roofing material and shed presence move prices up or down the most. And graph 3 depicts price distribution, and here is the distribution of sales prices, which is right skewed as you'd expect in real estate markets. Why it matters and next steps. This modular setup makes it easy to swap in Lasso or tree-based models, add more features or even deploy as a web app with Flask or Streamlit. And if you are into machine learning, let me know in the comments which model you'd like me to compare next or if you have tips on deployment. Thanks for watching.